Here it is, my boat. Bought this back in 2016. £350 on eBay. Thought I was going to get it done in a few months. It's now 2021. Right, let's have a look. This is the original tarp I put on it. Even that's rotted away. When it started to rot away, I just I just left it on there and bought another one. I think I've had three, in fact. I think I've gone through three of these. And these things, they're like 50 quid, you know. And then 2 winters, they're done. They're gone. They're actually winter Land Rover sort of size coverings. Perfect for the boat, but 50 quid every 2 years, you've got to buy a new one. Can't believe this thing's been sat here for 5 years. So this has been out for several winters. I thought I had it covered with the tarp, but as you can see, it's full of snow, water, ice, and that's a real pain in the arse, because when I started working on this before, I replaced all these and I completely put new fiberglass down here. So I may find that, yeah, I mean this back end was pretty much finished. I just need to put down the flooring. So I may need to redo this, which is a real pain in the arse. Down the front I didn't really do anything. I spent a lot of time with the angle grinder in here getting rid of the fiberglass, which was a horrible job. Jesus Christ. What I'll probably do is, once this all dried out, I need to think of a plan how I'm going to do this. Also, this is outside of my garden now. It was indoors in my garage, so what I could do is some sort of cover, or like carport or something like that above it. That would be perfect. Having said that, it's February now. We're getting nicer weather, so you know, I can probably cover it with a tarp for a few weeks. I just can't believe I bought this and it's still sitting here 5 years later. Right, so let's have a look. What have we got? I'll show you around. Right, this is the toilet. There used to be a door on here. Well, how anyone can fit in there, I have no idea. Let's have a look. Now, presumably, alright, I don't want to go too far over because the boat will topple. So if the door's closed, I don't know. I'm my arse hanging out the window. Yeah. Right. What else we got? Okay, it's a sink. Small sink in there. Little tap goes on there or whatever. Small work surface. Bit of a cupboard underneath. This is so we've got the seating in the front here, there's storage underneath, but also these, you can actually sleep in here as well. They claim it's a 4-berth, but I can't see that. You could get 2, you could get one person sleeping there, one person sleeping there. I can't see I can get any more than that in there, not unless you're very, very close friends. And that is it. So first things first, get rid of all this water, probably cover it back up and dry it out a bit and have a think.